Good morning, I'm Amy.
And I'm Annika for the Anderson News team.
Because of the construction of our new gym, the AMS fields are flooded. Yesterday was our first home game of the season, but the soccer team was not able to play on our field.
The game was moved to Anderson River Park, and our upcoming games look like they will also have to be moved. The PE classes cannot run their track due to flooding.
The kids that play football can't go out in the field anymore because of separate flooding from the construction.
Nobody appears to be working on a solution, so we don't know why and when the flooding is going to go away. On the plus side, because of the flooding, the high schoolers are no longer able to walk across our school.
For the Anderson News team, I'm Amy.
And I'm Annika. Keep cool, Cougars.